are having two coastal plains of India. This green one, children, you can see this narrow strip towards western side. You can see this is the western coastal plain, and here this broad strip of plain you can see marked with the green color. This is the eastern coastal plain. Okay, now one by one we will if I'll explain you. So the location, these western coastal plain are sandwiched or located in between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. Okay, from west side this western coastal plain is bounded by Arabian Sea, and from its eastern side this plain is bounded by the Western Ghats. In the same manner, here you can see the eastern coastal plain. From their west side they are bounded by Eastern Ghats, and towards its east side they are bounded by Bay of Bengal. This is the location of eastern and western coastal plain. Okay, western coastal plain basically starts from run of Kutch and extend till Kanyakumari. Eastern coastal plain basically starts from Sundarban Delta, and it ends over near Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. So this is the total stretch of eastern and western coastal plain. Now we will read the another features, and then after I will show you in map. Western coastal plain, sandwiched between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It is a narrow plain. This is the this plain, if you will see, so this is narrow plain, a narrow strip of plain area, hardly 50 to 100 kilometer. It consists of three sections. Broadly it is divided into three sections. The northern part of the coast is called the Konkan coast. Basically it covers the Mumbai and Goa coast. The central stretch is called the Kannada plain. Basically the coast or the plain lies with Karnataka state. That is known as the Kannada plain, while the southern stretch is referred to as the Malabar coast. This is known as the Kerala. Basically Kerala coast is known as Malabar coast. Simply you can understand the another section of this towards upper north, there is the Gujarat coast, which starts from run of Kutch and extend till Mumbai. That is the Gujarat coast. Okay. Now next, no delta is found with western coastal plain. Because no river drains its water into Arabian Sea, major river of South India, except Narmada and Tapi. Okay, and Narmada and Tapi also do not form delta, they form the estuaries. That is the another geographical term. Okay, so these are the features of the western coastal plains. Now eastern coastal plain, the eastern coast sandwiched between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal, and these coasts are broad. Okay, they are the broader coast. In northern part it is referred to as the Northern Sarkar, while the southern part is known as the Coromandel coast. From north till the end of Andhra Pradesh border, this is known as Northern Sarkar. Okay, and the Tamil Nadu coast basically is known as the Coromandel coast. So it has two broad divisions, Northern Sarkar in north and Coromandel coast in south. Large rivers such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri have formed extensive delta on this coast. So along with this eastern coastal plain, number of deltas we find, and these delta regions are occupied by the mangrove forest. Okay, mangrove forest are having the feature that they can survive in high content moisture area or saline water. Okay, so number of deltas are found with this coast. Now here in this map you can see this is from Mumbai to Goa. This is the Konkan coast. Karnataka coast is known as Kannada coast, and Kerala coast is known as Malabar coast. Here you can see this is the Tamil Nadu coast is known as the Coromandel coast, and the whole northern part is known as the Northern Sarkar, the two broad divisions. These are broad, these are narrow. As in map also you can see this is a narrow strip and this is the broad strip of plain. Okay. Number of rivers flow through this region and form their delta when they drains their water into this Bay of Bengal. So along with this coast, number of deltas are found, and thus it is occupied by the mangrove forest. No delta is formed along with this western coastal plain, okay, as no river drains its water into Arabian Sea except Narmada and Tapi, that also drains their water